Okay, good afternoon, everybody. So today I'm going to introduce Elixir Server to you, but before I start, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Juan. I'm a co-founder at Mimicwait. We are a team augmentation agency specialized in Elixir. Been using Elixir since 2016. We also run the Elixir meetup. The picture that you're seeing there is me presenting on the last edition. This is my first time in ElixirConf EU and my first time in Krakow. And yeah, it's a long way to get here from Uruguay, but it's worth it. So you can find me on social media as Juan Azam, and I'll jump right into it. So first of all, we are not talking about this observer. This is the Erlang observer. I'm going to introduce you to something else. So I bet you have been in this situation before where you want to solve a feature in your application and you want to pick a package that is popular and also well-maintained. So let's jump into a demo of how that would look like. So pretty sure that you have been on this site before. First of all, thanks you to the Hex team for providing a web UI for our packages. This is great. The information here is super important, but sometimes it's not as, it's a bit hard to grasp, right? For example, this graph, it has these values that are, once you're in the community, you know that's weekends. So it's not as easy to process. So as a solution for that, we decided to jump into that problem, and we created Elixir Observer, which I hope that is looking good over there. So here we can find, for example, in this case, Bandit. Let's do it again. And we can see the results here. We already can see the stars and the downloads of these packages on the last 90 days. Once we select one of the packages, all the information here is a combination of information from Hex and GitHub. So probably on the old school way of doing things, you will go into GitHub, check PRs, investigate the repo a bit. Now with Elixir Observer, it's easier. Of course, you can still have the links to all of those original sites, Hex, GitHub, all the rest. But now we are using the screen real estate a bit better. The idea is to show all the information that you will need to make this decision. That means stars, recent downloads, information about releases, the last activity on GitHub in the last year. So we believe that this will save everybody's time. If you want to know more about why we did it, there is an About page. I'm not going to read all of that, but I'm going to talk about this in a bit. So coming back to the presentation, why do we did it? It's because we want to help with adoption and helping Elixir grow. And in order to get people from other communities more involved, I think that it's smart to try to invest in design and make these systems that we use every day friendlier. So what's on the roadmap for Elixir Observer? Well, light mode. We also want to open source it. We also want to show curated package content. For example, it would be great to see blog articles or conference videos for a particular package on that same screen. Categories and better search. And of course, get feedback from you. So if you see me around and you want to chat about Elixir Server, just find me and talk about it. And that's all from my side.